Assalamualaikum, hi everyone. Today I want to introduce myself. My name is Hanifah Faiz Azahra, and now I'm not alone because in here I'm with my friends group. There is Risma Mulati and Nafilah Miftahul Syarifah. Today we want to discuss about something simple but important in our daily life. There is preaching, or we can say dawah. I want to show you the little behind the scenes first. Now we're preparing everything needs for the podcast video, like setting up the lighting, camera, table layout, and of course we have holiday microphone. The lighting helps make the video look brighter, clearer, and more professional, so our faces are well lit and comfortable to watch. The camera captures the visuals clearly, making sure that every moment of the discussion is recorded properly. The table layout is arranged to create a neat, cozy, and engaging the creates atmospheric conversation. And the hologram microphones is the clear, so our voice is good without a noise or we say distractions. And just so you know, before all of this, we also had a meeting on Zoom to discuss many important things. So enjoy following the podcast with Risma Mulati as a host and Nafilah Miftahul Syarifah as a speaker.
Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. My name is Risma Melati and I'm here with my friend as a guest. She is Nafilah Miftahul Syarifah. Hello Nafilah.
Hi.
Today, in this episode, we are going to have a live chat about preaching or dakwah and how it can be practiced in our daily life in a simple and friendly way. Okay, guys? Today we are with Nafilah. Hello Nafilah, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah. How are you today, Ima?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, so happy and of course fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, Fa, because today we are going to talk about the preaching or dakwah. We say dakwah, just dakwah, ya.
Yeah.
In my opinion, preaching is often seen as something serious or formal.
Yes.
However, in real life, I can actually be very close to our daily activities. So, can I ask to you some question?
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
to open our discuss.
Yes.
For the first question is, what is dakwah in daily life?
Dakwah. So far, usually dakwah is lecture, right? Nah. But actually, it's simple, like be honest, patience, help each other, or be a good example for others.
Oh, yeah. That's great point.
Yeah.
But in my opinion, it shows that dakwah is not only about lecture, right?
Yeah.
But also about daily attitude,
Yes.
honest, passion, and good behavior. Maybe that, ya.
Yeah.
Okay, Nafila, thank you for the explanation. But many people think that dakwah must always sound seriously like that. But sometimes a softer and lighter approach can be more effective.
Yeah.
Nah,
It's
for the next question, why does dakwah not always have to be serious or formal, Iva?
Nah, why? Because relaxed and friendly is easier to accept and feels less judgmental. That.
Okay, I am agree with you.
Yeah.
A relaxed and friendly approach really help people feel more comfortable
Yeah.
and not judge.
Yes,
Yeah, that's the point.
important. Yeah.
Right, yeah, important. Okay, Eva. Can you give maybe the simple example of like preaching, such a giving advice through kindness,
Yeah.
humor, or personal experience? Maybe can you give a example
Yeah.
from dakwah?
The simple examples of light dakwah is, yes, we are can sharing about our experience with reasons or giving advice kindness. That is a dakwah. That is.
Yes. But in my opinion, I'm also dakwah like that in the real life. But
Yeah.
sometimes I feel I dakwah that we are get the meaningful
Yeah.
of life
Hmm.
from the Quran maybe or
Yeah.
Sunnah Rasul like that.
Yes. That's right.
That's
right.
so important in our life, like
Yes, that's true.
because in my opinion also dakwah is to remind us to remind us for the best experience in this world.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah ya. That remind us preaching and be simple, dakwah, be simple, meaningful, and close to our daily life.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, Iva.
Yeah.
The last maybe before closing our podcast today, can you give us the motivation maybe from dakwah?
Okay. Motivation for the maybe I can give quotes. Dakwah is not about powerful our words are, but dakwah is how sincere our actions are.
Masya Allah.
Masya Allah.
Sincere our action
Are.
are. That's guys. That's point ya. Okay, Iva, thank you for today.
Thank
you for sharing and
you.
caring.
Thank you. Jazakumullah.
Before I listen to the many podcasts,
Yeah.
sharing is caring.
Yeah.
That's really is in our life.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Maybe until here our podcast. So, the conclusion is dakwah very important in our life to remind us and to remind us to remember to Allah and Rasulullah. Ya, Iva.
Yes.
Okay, Iva. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you very
today.
much.
Keep healthy and good
Amin.
life,
You
good
too.
rest. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, guys, maybe until here our podcast. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.